Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Friday, April 7th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day here. Weaker tone, except for slightly neutral here into the bean market. So these markets are stuck in a rut. There's no information out there. You're not getting any new fundamental news. You did have earlier support here from weather in Argentina and the U.S. looking a little too wet. Now it looks like this next week should offer some relief to that. Limited moisture, warmer temperatures to help dry it out. And so you're just not really getting anywhere in these markets. So because of that, not a lot of movement to slightly weaker tone. So on the week, corn down 4 3/4, beans down 4 cents, wheat down 2 1/2, and then Minneapolis hit the hardest, down 16 cents. That's a follow through off of the news last Friday from the acre number that you are going to get similar acres as last year for spring wheat. A lot of people are thinking to see 1 million or 2 reduction into those acre numbers. Granted, that can all change here moving forward, but that's really where you saw that premium be taken out of the market, down 16 cents on the week. Over into the meat markets, higher trade in live cattle, feeder cattle on the day, but overall on the week, also similar to where you're getting in the grains, not really getting anywhere. So live cattle up 10 cents, feeders down 20 cents, though lean hogs were the one that were hit the hardest this week and probably the biggest movers out of everything, down just over $2 on the week. Over into the outside markets, you did have crude up $1.59 on the week. You had strength here earlier on in the week and then strength here today after you had those bombings in Syria. Because of that, it kind of spiked crude oil. Anytime you have some disturbances in the Middle East, that gets crude oil kind of up and moving just because of that. And so you did have some strength there into the crude market today, finishing higher on the week. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching, crop report on Tuesday. This crop report typically doesn't offer a whole lot of details. You still don't have a 17, 18 carryout level yet planted. Even though you have an acre number, they don't give S&Ds for one more month. So really all you're having is your old crop S&Ds. You had big stock numbers, so people are coming in to thinking carryout might have to grow just a little bit for everything. And then you'll get an update on South America numbers. Everything's coming in pretty strong for Brazil's production numbers on soybeans, so that should be one that's updated quite a bit as well. Other than that, really just waiting until we get to planting. We're a little early. Obviously, they haven't got too much going, but here in the next week or so, that's really when you're going to turn that acknowledgement here to planting and get some stories rolling there. Other than that, we'll see where managed money aligned itself this last Tuesday to Tuesday. I do have to close with the disclaimer, trading futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great weekend.